Hello, my name is Bettina, Retail Advisor with Keystone RV Company Customer Service, supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes reach out to us asking, what is the difference between an automotive and a deep cycle battery? An automotive type battery, like in your car, is designed to provide a heavy load, like during starting, for a short period of time and to be recharged continuously. A deep cycle battery is designed to be slowly discharged, like during camping, and recharged over and over. While an automotive battery will work in an RV, the life expectancy is very short compared to the deep cycle battery, which was designed for this type of use. Remember, we're always here to help.